So I have a tripod and the tripod foot pop off. So I try on the pan and the 3 foot them pop off. So this morning me get up and say, yo, other one right now it's gonna take forever for come. So I did walk up and down in the house, I walk up and down in the house and I say, what me I gonna use to make the tripod? I have a different tripod, you know, with a metal that you see it's in a flexi like this. So I say, what me I gonna use? So I said, no, I'm going to the next room and then I walk up and down and look and I see them flexi right there. And I say, hold on, now this same flexi iron in a this, in a the flexi rod. So I say, you know what, I'm going to take 3 of them, push it in the hole where this come out and glue in the foot them. And guys, see that? Put in my next foot now, sure.
Wait.
Why?
Wait, yeah.
What you need? Anyway, see the guys? It works like a charm.
Put it stand up. We'll see if it's strong enough.
Pull out the end. Put it stand up?
Yeah, we go see if it can turn up.
No want the glue leak out. You know why you feel like you want to come put me to shame?
You know, put it to shame. We have to make sure so you think can work. So anybody want any what is name?
Tripod.
Any tripod?
Flexi rod tripod.
Does, yeah. Any flexi tripod?
Flexipod.
Flexi spiral tripod. You understand? Can know how to make them.
How we button there?
You see me?
Just press the button.
See them thing I'm bridging. It's what we have to deal with. A YouTubers, a beginners YouTuber. Stress them in my lad.
But
You
I
understand?
something good and I use it to vlog the foot pop off. Mr. Need something the next foot pop off. Only left 1 foot. So I pop out it out there, man.
Watch it, thing turn up perfect. Watch it. Me a shake at the bed bridging. Watch it.
Oh, it might embarrass
See that? It's solid. Solid, so that means guess what? It can withstand shaking and them thing in a vehicle if you put it on your dashboard and them thing
You
there.
sound like you're trying to sell it.
Then what you mean? Our part we can't go in a business with this, you know.
Why?
I just that we don't have that part there.
Oh.
We just have some spiral rod. So anybody, see, it's a DIY. Wait, DIY?
DIY.
It's a DIY. K&J DIY. So guess what? If you do this, if you have this, if you have a tripod like this, and the foot them pop off, you can get some spiral rod and glue them in. Use the Chinese super Chinese glue and glue them in.
About 6 or 10 of them coming at the pack. So guess what?
Yeah.
If them the pop off,
You have more.
then as if that, if the head of this pop off, all you have to do is just cut off the iron part and say you have more iron to legally weigh down. Remember, say be iron in
See it?
So you can do it as short or as long as possible. We couldn't find the axe blade today when me da do it. So me have to end up just make
See,
it
guys?
stay long. So me da make it as short.
Should I go now tutorial?
A tutorial.
Oh. Shoot. Tutorial. You know something I need to learn that? Chaja. I feel like me I talk too fast.
Boy! Maybe.
Tutorial. You dig? So Riri make one poster there. So if you don't want a poster, Joe!
Why?
No.
No, me not love.
So I don't know guys. Big up on yourself.
Guys.
Me not show myself today because I not have no shirt as usual.
Guys,
Oh, wait, sorry.
guys, I'm this man, guys. Sometimes you have to take your hand with fashion. What if it just come in handy? I don't even know more answer. I just love chat, but it come in handy. Cause my ear natural, so I'm not gonna end up use them here. And I have a box of them around there. So guess what? I can buy more of them here. I want me pay fee, but I pay $110 fee for AliExpress. I can buy some more in it and put them pop up and just replace them with these lovely
110 Jamaican
legs.
here, not 110
Yeah,
US.
110 Jamaican dollar. With these lovely legs. So yes guys.
5 minutes?
Wait, no? So remember guys to like, comment, subscribe and share up the video them. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. And remember to click the notification click the notification bell.
Just have a go so.
Again. So do again and stay safe.